We are with Tvesha Singh, who is one of the participating artists in the Viva Art New Wave Art Initiative. How does it feel?
It feels wonderful to be here with the selection of some really wonderful artists, the 50 artists of such varied artworks, and it's such a great experience to have.
Yeah. How long have you been painting?
I have been an artist since I was child. I think since I was a child. I mean, painting this something like that. But professionally, I've been doing it since 2019.
Since 2019. And what is your style?
My style is within the abstract style, but within that, I like to characterize it as abstract landscape. It's a lot open to interpretation. It's inspired by my army background and the remote areas that are kind of privileged to visit.
So, what are the subjects that you capture in your art?
At the essence of it is nature. So my art is always inspired by nature. I try to capture the colors and the vibrant textures and the light that I see in all these natural landscapes.
Okay. So, you're more attracted, like I would say, an artist who's attracted to nature and you paint nature.
Absolutely.
Yeah. What is the most beautiful thing you like about nature?
I think the sky and water. So those are such varied colors and textures that you can find in the world. The sky can be in so many different colors. The sunsets are so vibrant, and the water has so much texture and saturated color. And I really feel inspired to paint when I swing to the landscape.
Okay. And how many times has it been that you wanted to paint a landscape, but you're not in front of one?
I think most of my paintings are actually like that. I am really inspired by the memories that I have of these places. And one thing you notice about memories is that what you remember and what perhaps you took a photograph of, they are not actually the same. So the memory is always so much more saturated. The colors are brighter. The sunset that you took on your phone, it might look so dull later on when you look at it, but your memories are the most brilliant, red, vibrant colors. And that's what I try to capture.
That is why we say something like photo real, but maybe not real, you know.
Yeah.
And then your own experience adds to it. And that is where when an artist emotes with the, the subject and all, you're able to bring life into the thing.
Yes.
What is the medium you use?
I say acrylic.
Acrylic on canvas, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Wonderful, wonderful. And how do you see or where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I see myself painting. Whatever I do, I see myself devoted to art. And the interesting thing about being an artist is that there's no set path and everyone takes these different winding roads, but as long as you stay true to yourself, and for me that is painting, I'm fine.
Wonderful, wonderful. So that is what you're looking at and that is what you're looking at. What is the final goal?
Goal. I think for me, being an artist is the goal. Right now I'm enjoying the journey and that is the aim. Even if when I'm 80 years old and I'm painting, I'll be very happy.
Wonderful, wonderful. A word for the Viva Art?
For Viva Art?
Yeah.
Viva Art is such a wonderful initiative. They've given the opportunity to exhibit at such a lovely venue at such an early stage for so many artists. And I really appreciate
that. I would really, I would nod my head at that at an early age because that is when you need the biggest push in your conference, right?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Tvesha, for spending time with us over here. On the sets again at Viva Art. This is Tvesha and she's a participating artist. It was so good to learn from her. Wish you the best in the future and hope to talk to you sometime again soon.
Thank you.
Right? Thank you.